Hi guys! Welcome to day 5 of 30 Days of Birds. 30 Days of Birds is a series that I'm attempting to do where I paint a bird and upload a time-lapse video 30 days in a row. Today we are staying firmly in the realm of blue with this little belted kingfisher. In the previous pieces I found myself blending too much, so I wanted to take a different stance with this one by mixing the exact paint color that I wanted prior to applying it to the paper. I know that I personally have a tendency to jump too quickly into detailing phase, so I make efforts to avoid this and build a solid base first, carefully blocking in that base using broader strokes and properly mixed paint. One of my favorite ways to add some excitement to a painting is to throw in some dynamic lighting. This usually involves a strong light source in a relatively darkened scenario, even better if it's color light source. It throws some lovely dark shadows so you can actually have a lot of fun playing with shape and form. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed day 5 of 30 Days of Birds. Stay tuned for the next installment tomorrow. If there are any topics that you'd like to hear me talk about during this series, leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to include it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just a reminder that if you are interested in some exclusive content like longer instructional videos on how to paint, art prints, special sales, you should consider becoming a patron over on my Patreon page. For a few dollars each month, you can unlock some super cool rewards.